Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo on how to compute the volume of regular pentagonal pyramid. So ano nga po ba itong pyramid na ito? At ano po yung formula na pwede po nating gamitin to calculate its volume? Okay? Ipipresent ko po sa inyo yung pyramid na figure at ipipresent ko po sa inyo yung formula na pwede po nating gamitin to calculate its volume. Ipipresent ko po yan sa inyo in step by step. Okay, so bago po ako mag-present ng examples, ay i-define muna natin ano nga po ba yung regular pentagonal pyramid. It is a pyramid with regular pentagonal base and 5 isosceles triangular faces. So ito po yung kanyang figure. So pag sinabi po nating regular pentagonal or regular pentagon, in short, yung base po ng ating pyramid ay regular pentagon. Pag sinabi po nating regular, pare-pareho po yung measurement ng sides ng pentagon. Ano po? Kaya regular pentagonal. At ito po ay pyramid kasi in a pyramid form. Okay. So, meron pa po siyang parts. Another parts, maliban po sa base na regular pentagon, yung pataas po dito para magka-form po ng pyramid is that 5 isosceles triangular faces. Okay, ito po yung phase 1, 2, 3, and then 4 sa part dito, and then 5 sa may likod. Okay, so ito po yung 5 isosceles triangular faces. So, kaya ang parts po ng ating regular pentagonal pyramid ay ito pong height and then yung side po ng regular pentagon na base. Okay, ito po yon. Dinefine natin sa ating figure. Ang A ay the side of the regular pentagonal base. So ito po yung measurement ng side. So pag sinabi pong A po lahat yung nakapaikot again. Kaya ko po A na nilagay na paikot kasi pare-pareho po yung measurement ng pentagon. Okay? And then H is the height of the pyramid. Okay, this one. So, yung original formula po ng volume for any pyramid is that volume is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base B times height. Ito po yung original formula. So ngayon, ay meron po tayong formula for the regular pentagonal pyramid mula po dito sa pagdiderive from this original formula. At ito po yung ating formula for the regular pentagonal pyramid. Okay? Volume is equal to square root of 25 plus 10 square root of 5 divided by 12 times a squared. A again is height squared times h is height. Okay. So ito po yung formula na pwede po natin gamitin to calculate its volume. Another one, in decimal form, ito po kasing part na ito, wala pong variable. Okay, bilugan ko po yung ating formula. Wala po kasing variable sa part dito, kaya po pwede po natin yan na i-decimal. Okay, para po gawing decimal, i-press lang po ninyo muna yung 10 square root of 5 and then equals ninyo and then plus 25 and then equals ninyo. And then kunin po ninyo yung square root ng maging sagot dito sa loob and then i-divide po sa 12. So ang lalabas po dito ay 0.57. So actually, meron po pong kasunod itong 0.57 na ito pero kinat ko na lang po yung decimal into 2 decimal place. Okay. So ito po yung magiging decimal niya, 0.57 and then a squared and then times height. Okay? So ito po yung in formula at ito naman po yung decimal form. Okay? Okay, so let's have an example. Find the volume of the following pyramid with regular pentagon as base. So ito po yung ating figure 1. Okay, so yung ating pong base ay pentagon wherein it is regular kasi nakalagay po A sa paikot. So, ibig sabihin, kapag ganito, kahit hindi po sinasabing regular pentagon yung base, understood na ito po ay regular kapag pare-pareho po yung measurement. Okay? So here, A or the side of the base is that 3 meters and then yung height po ng pyramid ay 5 meters. Okay, so we're going to use the formula. Ang gagawin ko po dito ay yung decimal form. Okay, volume is equal to 0.57 times a squared times height. So substitute lang po natin yung given. So here, volume is equal to 0.57, copy. Yung A natin, side po ng pentagon is 3 meters. Kaya A squared, so 3, kaya 3 squared. And then, times what is height? 5, kaya times 5. So here, yung nilagay ko pong given, di ko po muna tinilagay yung kanyang units, okay, or unit. Mamaya na po natin ilagay sa final answer. Okay, paano po i-simplify after po tayo mag-substitute? So, ang unahin po natin ay ito pong number with exponent. Ito po muna ang sisimplify natin. So, what is 3 squared? Or 3 raised to the second power. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay 3 times 3. So, that is equal to 9. So, 3 squared is equal to 9. Copy 0.57 and then copy 5. Okay, ito lang po yung ating sinimplify. So, here, kung hindi ka po kayang mag-multiply ng diretso, pwede pong i-multiply muna 9 times 5. Pwede pong i-oral kasi yan. That is 45. Kaya times 45 po. And then, multiply po natin sa decimal na 0.57. Ang magiging sagot po niyan ay 25.65. And then, ilalagay po natin yung kanyang unit. Lahat po ng unit ng pyramid ay cube. Ano po? Since meter po yung ginamit na unit sa measurement ng height at yung side ng pentagon, kaya meter po yung gagamitin natin dito. Okay. So, that is cubic meter or meter cube. Okay, so this is the volume of this regular pentagonal pyramid. Okay, so how about this number 2 figure? Again, yung ating pong base ay regular pentagon kasi nakalagay po A sa paikot. So, the measurement of the side of the pentagon is 2 feet and then the height of the pyramid is 8 feet. Using the formula, okay, decimal po yung gagamitin ko po dito. So we have volume is equal to 0.57 times A squared times height. So A natin ay 2, substitute natin sa A at yung height natin ay 8. So this will become 0.57 times A is 2, kaya 2 and then square. And then yung height po niya ay 8, so times 8. So again, simplify muna itong my exponent. So 2 squared is 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. Kaya 0.57 times 4 times 8. So you can multiply first this one. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. And then 32 multiplied by 0.57, the answer is 18.24 cubic feet. Okay, so feet po yung ginamit dito, kaya feet po yung magiging unit natin. Yun nga lang, ito po ay cubic feet. Okay, so the volume of this figure is equal to 18.24 cubic feet. Okay, so how about this number 3 example? So yung example po natin ay naka-word problem. Ano po? In a form of word, hindi po figure. Okay, so let's try to answer this problem. Find the volume of a regular pentagonal pyramid whose height is 10 feet and one of the congruent side of the base is 4 feet. Okay, so yung given po ay regular pentagonal pyramid. Okay, guhitan po natin. Ang height po ay 10 feet at yung side po ng base measure 4 feet. Okay, so here, paano po yan isolve? Using the formula of the volume of pentagonal pyramid, 0.57 times A squared times height. So, ang A po natin, ito po yung side ng base. So, ang side po ng base ay 4 feet. So, lagay po natin sa A ay 4 at yung height po ay 10 feet. So, ilagay po natin sa height ay 10. So, to substitute, so this will become 0.57 times ang pong side or yung A po, side po ng base ay 4 kaya 4 squared and then height po ay 10 kaya times 10. So again, simplify po muna itong 4 squared. 4 squared ay 16. So yung 4 squared naging 16. Okay? And then, pwede pong i-multiply muna ito. 16 times 10 is 160. Then after multiplying, 16 times 10, 160, and then multiply it sa 0.57. So if you're going to multiply, the result will become 91.2 cubic feet. Okay, so feet po yung unit dito kasi yung ginamit po sa problem ay feet po yung unit. Okay, so cubic feet. So the volume of the regular pentagonal pyramid is 91.2 cubic feet. Okay, so to end up our lesson, try to answer this activity. So we have this pyramid. Ang given po ay find the volume of the regular pyramid below. So nakalagay po dito na yung pong ating pyramid ay regular. So ibig sabihin, regular po yung base ng pyramid natin. Okay, so the given side of the pentagon is 3 meters at yung height po ng pyramid ay 8 meters. So baka pwede naman po ninyong i-post yung video na ito, try to answer, at kung may sagot na po kayo, baka pwede naman pong i-comment sa comment section sa baba po ng video na ito. Okay? Hello guys, salamat. Nawa ay natulungan kita para intindihin yung lesson. At kung nagustuhan mo at natuto ka, baka pwede mo namang i-click yung like at subscribe na rin kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.